Welcome to Barebeach. I'm your host, Sophia, and I'm excited to take you on a journey along some of the most beautiful shores around the world. Join me as we explore sandy beaches and hidden treasures that only a true beach enthusiast can find. Whether you're looking to relax, exercise, or just soak in the natural beauty, my channel is the perfect destination for all beach lovers. So grab your sunscreen, put on your walking shoes, and let's get started on our beach walk adventure together. Please leave a comment below suggesting which beach I should explore in a future video.
Ja, eigenlijk het is als wij normaal iemand dat aanbieden.
If you appreciate my effort in showcasing these stunning beaches, please take a moment to check the details below and kindly support my work. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.